All right, welcome back to the channel. In today's totally random video, Paisley and I are going to come up with a solution for our dirty duct vent. So over here is our problem. It might be too hard to see now, but I was walking by this the other day and I realized I have never cleaned this thing. And it is, well, let's get our phone. I need a flashlight. It is quite dirty. So, look at how gross that is. But we're gonna come up with a plan and we're gonna come up with a solution. So, let's get some things we think we need. Out of pure scientific curiosity, we will activate Optimus Grime. That's right, this little electronic robot is called Optimus Grime, aka OG, and this dude is getting recruited today. So, he's barely gonna fit. We're gonna send him in on a mission. That'll work. Also, salute to General Paisley. Gonna want that. Cow, it fits. All right, buddy, do your thing. Whoa, dude. You don't want to go in there. You don't want to go in there. Pace. Boop. All right, well, there you have it. That was today's video. We dropped Optimus Grime, our robotic vacuum, into the ductwork to try to clean it. I would say it's 95% cleaner. It's definitely not a professional cleaning. I would still break out the shop vac, clean it the way you should, or hire somebody to do it. But for the experimental study of what would happen if you drop your electronic vacuum or robotic vacuum into your ductwork, would it get cleaner? I would say the answer is yes. I think it actually did better than I was expecting it to. So if you stuck around, thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one.